Wellmade Motors and Development Corporation is a socially responsible organization of people that helps the minorities and less privileged members of the society through human development. All company policies, directives, and regulations must be anchored on its corporate philosophy. Profit is just one of our means in attaining our aims in life. Mr. Philip N. Tan founded the Wellmade Group of Companies. In 1988, with his training, education, and experiences, Mr. Tan became an entrepreneur, establishing the Wellmade Motor Parts and Industrial Sales located in Barangay Tipolo, Mandaue City, Cebu. In 1995, Mr. Tan refocused his business from trading to engineering. He renamed the company Wellmade Motors and Development Corporation. The shift was highlighted with the launching of the first innovative precision engineering workshop to the public. With only 12 qualified staff, it has grown to become one of the biggest and modern workshops in the Philippines. The company's output are at par with the world's best precision machine manufacturers from the United States, Italy, Switzerland, and Japan. Since then, its business operation expanded 10 times from its original size. In 1996, Wellmade availed of the 5S of Good Housekeeping and Work Improvement in Small Enterprise, or WISE program of the Department of Labor and Employment. Afterwards, the company also joined the STEVE program of the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board of Region 7. Through the STEVE program, a productivity improvement program was put in place. In 1999, management noticed that tardiness in the workplace was getting out of hand. Instead of resorting to punitive disciplinary action to rectify the situation, it launched a program espousing a culture of discipline and honesty. This approach provided an atmosphere of cooperation between labor and management. This led to the removal of bunty clocks, security guards in all plants, and body frisking before they leave the company premises. This action, on the other hand, bear positive results as tardiness dropped by 95%. While adopting continuous improvements, the company has been experiencing increasing occurrence of machine breakdowns, which resulted into delayed deliveries, high incidences of non-conformance to quality standards, idled machineries and equipment which are costing the company billions of pesos, potential losses on revenues, and wastages in materials supplied. To address these problems, the management immediately formed a committee composed of machine operators, supervisors, and maintenance group. The company implemented a program entitled "This Machine is Mine." The objective of the program is to instill a sense of ownership among workers to ensure the proper use and maintenance of machines and equipment. The campaign on "This Machine is Mine," alongside with other affirmative actions, produced positive outcomes. The gains from successfully implementing the program were shared among all employees, including the managers and supervisors. The employees receive a monthly bonus ranging from a minimum of 20% to as high as 500% of their monthly salary. The company also practiced non-discriminatory hiring practices. Wellmade's workforce is partly composed of physically challenged workers. To date, Wellmade employs 5 physically challenged workers, representing 5% of its total workforce. Since its operation, Wellmade garnered more than 12 awards in recognition for its drive to improve the quality of its management system and human resource. In 2002, Wellmade was the first machine shop to be certified ISO 9001-2008 on Global Certification of Quality Management System. In 2005, it received numerous awards and citations. These include the Presidential Citation as the Most Outstanding SME in Productivity and Quality, finalist for the Employer of the Year SME category, Philippine Marketing Excellence Awardee as the Most Outstanding Machine Shop, and National Consumers Award as the #1 machine shop. In 2008, It was a presidential awardee for science and innovation, and as a CSR Entrepreneur of the Year by Cebu Chamber of Commerce. In 2009, it was adjudged as one of the national winners of the DOLE Productivity Olympics and Metal Worker Man of the Year by the Metals Industry Research and Development Center. Currently, the company is on its way for another breakthrough in the metal industry, to be certified Social Accountability 8000-2000 by the first quarter of 2011. This year, Wellmade successfully franchised its business in Davao and Malaysia with ongoing negotiations in Bohol and General Santos. Wellmade is probably the first company in the world to engage in franchising machine shop business both at the local and international markets. Mr. Tan attributes his drive to improve the plight of his company's workforce and their families to fulfill his father's dream of paying back the Filipino people for the opportunities given to their family when they migrated to the Philippines all the way from China 5 decades ago.